Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to Off Track RC. I'm Chris Parrish, alongside mischievous Mike Bufka. He's on the prowl. He's back, and we're back with Pro Mod competition. We're getting down to the nitty-gritty of the points chase, and it's tight at the top. It's getting exciting, and we've got the drop, where drivers will get to drop their two lowest bracket results coming up, and that's going to be a wild card.
And you know, some of these drivers may have to exercise their drop. We've got a real menage a trois for the first for our Pro Mod going on right now between the Fallout truck, between the Boss Fight, and between Taurus. All three trucks are in contention for the lead. We're going to see who takes the lead and just runs away with it. This week could be a decider in that points chase.
And it all starts with qualifying. Kicking off with qualifying, Fallout 1 with a 693, dropping below that 7-second bracket. And Red Rocket in second, 6.88, and leading the charge, it's Taurus with a 680 as top qualifier for race number 1 with Pro Mod. Not seen in the top 10 boss fight, so one of the top contenders crawling from the bottom, trying to get to the top. We'll see how it all goes as we get into round number 1 with Gravedigger 32, Jordan Sick against Metal Health, Devin Treat. In the 32 and 33 matchup, Treat off to the lead, way out of control, and wow, narrowly, Metal Health gets it done in the end. Hillbilly, Devin Treat right back up on the line with another truck facing off against Zombie, but not quite the same luck as Greg Coffey, and Zombie is going to take this win with his L&T Zombie truck as Hillbilly upside down in the first corner. Calder Sick in Flagfoot on the line against Jordan Sick with Gravedigger Ice, a father-son matchup. Gravedigger Ice takes the win in this one. We go trackside. Well, we had a unique situation here with Off Track RC. We had the Sick Boys racing off against each other. Father and son matchup. Calder, what's it like racing against your dad?
Definitely nerve-wracking. Trying to beat him is like trying to beat, your worst enemy and your best friend at the same time, so.
Clearly a great relationship. Jordan, this time out, you got the win, but what's it like facing off against your son?
That was a bit of a surprise because he's been schooling me lately on the driving. He's been the main wrench lately as well, but I can at least say I've taught him everything he knows. But yeah, that was a bit of a surprise. I didn't expect to squeak out the win. Well, this win went to Jordan. Never know what we'll see next time. This guy's doing all the wrenching, so you might watch for any mechanical gremlins to pop up in Dad's trucks. Moving on, it's Gravedigger 28, Caleb Jasinski, facing off against a newcomer, Mike Arndt, and Monster Energy. Arndt new to Off Track RC, but he's not new to RCs at all, and showing some power right there with the Monster Energy truck.
All right, Cameron, are you good with it?
Round number 2 of action after a short first round. In Pro Mod action, Taurus and Metal Health. Metal Health sweeps through the first round, but he's got a tough draw with the top qualifier. He gave it a go, but it's all Taurus. Iron Aaron James and Zeus facing off against American Outlaw, Chris Lane. This is the number 16-7 matchup, 16-17 matchup, so this should be pretty tight on this Joker Lane track. Wow, it was close. Look at that. We're going to go back to the replay. Zeus off into the lead, into the final corner. American Outlaw making up ground, hammer down, and I think we see it right there. We're going to take a still frame look, but right there by 3/4 of a tire, American Outlaw with the win in dramatic fashion.
Drivers, are you ready?
Underpowered and Indominus, Andy Salerno and Chris Parrish on the line. I mentioned the Joker Lane track. The drivers in the middle of the track can choose the inside or the outside, and then they come back together for the finish line as Indominus gets to that finish line first. Atomic Orange and Michigan Ice Monster. Ice Monster just throws the orange truck on the starting line, but misses the final corner, and the orange lives on. As our next pair of truck stages up, let's go trackside and meet Greg Coffey and Zombie.
Hey, how's it going, guys? It's Greg Coffey here with my creation Zombie, based after Barry Moosehour's truck. Spent a lot of time on this year. Finally got it out to the racetrack. Hand-painted creation on a Losi LMT. This is a rear steer truck, so it's got 4-wheel steering. Kind of something different out here on the racetrack. You don't see much. But yeah, this is my Zombie creation. Hope you guys like it.
Your drivers are
Very cool. Probably our only 4-wheel steer pro mod truck. Driving that LMT with the Zombie. We'll see how it works out. He's off in the lead as Jared Hockaday and Bounty Hunter's in trouble in the far lane.
All right, next up we got drivers. Are you ready?
Grave Digger Calder Sick against Jared Hockaday and Blue Thunder. Hockaday swapping lanes and running back to back, but right now he's in trouble as Grave Digger Fire takes the win. Yep.
Drivers, are you ready?
Excalibur and Laotian Commotion. Laotian number 5 qualifier, Excalibur only the number 28, so he's got some work to do. He was off in the lead, but endoed through the center section, and the man from Laos takes the win.
Watch the green light.
Bolt Thrower, Aaron James against Bigfoot 19. Oh, Bolt Thrower hitting the turn marker. He's in trouble, charging back, but not going to happen as Mike Arndt and Bigfoot 19 wins
Drivers, are
this
you
one.
ready? All right, watch the green light.
Calder Sick back on the line, this time with Grave Digger Ice. Facing off against Isaac, Ankrum, and Red Rocket. We've seen Ankrum with Laotian Commotion. A little bit of trouble, but he recovers, and Red Rocket moves on. Sudden Impact, Jeremy Mark in the near lane, and Chris Hackinson and Fallout 2 in the far lane. This is the number 15-18 matchup, so it should be another good matchup on paper. Oh, a big charge at the top end, but not quite enough. Fallout, full send, but not quite going to catch up with Sudden Impact, but that does make this our crunch time replay. Andy Salerno in the incredible Purple Haze in the far lane against Fred Kors and the Boogie Van.
All right, watch the green light.
Purple Haze, the Black Market RC fighter chassis based on the LMT. And the BMRC truck looking strong. Purple Haze with the win. Walking Tall, the Warpath chassis in the near lane against Monster Powderworks. Keith Boat returning to the series, out for injury most of the season. It's good to have Keith back, but it's not going to start the way he was hoping as Walking Tall walks all over this
Drivers
one.
ready?
Monster Energy and Fallout 1. This should be exciting. Two great drivers, neck and neck. A little wide for Monster Energy as Fallout 1 gets it done. Mr. Holmes Power, Mike Buffett in the near lane against Gunslinger, Mike Spurlock in the far lane. This could also be a good race, but it's not going to be as Spurlock hung up on the first turn marker and charging from then on, but nothing doing as Mr. Holmes Power moves on. Spurlock right back up on the line in the same lane, this time with Jurassic Tech, facing off against Boss Fight between PRP Ogre X from Chris Parrish and Mean Duck RC. The duck quacks on as Boss Fight takes that win.
Drivers, are you ready?
Careless Whisper, Mike Bufka, and Ballistic Orange, Chris Blank. Blank again beat up on the tree, but charging back to the center section, and it's all ballistic.
Next up, Taurus.
Round number 3 of action. Taurus, Jeremy Mark, and American Outlaw, Chris Lane. This is the number 1 and 17 matchup. Don't sleep on Chris Lane. He has been monster tough this season. Oh, and we see it right there. A top-end charge, but not quite enough as Taurus ekes one out. Atomic Orange and Indominus on the line. Atomic off to the lead. A new truck for Indominus and still some bugs to work out as Blank takes that one. Gravedigger Fire called her sick against Greg Coffey, and the Zombie Truck called her off to the lead. Smooth sailing, a nice smooth run for Gravedigger Fire. If he keeps that up, he could carry some momentum through this bracket. Laotian Commotion and Bigfoot 19. Trouble for Laotian Commotion, and Mike Arndt moves into round number 4. Sudden Impact against Red Rocket. Ankrum with a second chance here. He messed up his last race. Can he recover? Oh, he's in trouble again, and this one goes to the other blue truck. Sudden Impact. Walking Tall and Purple Haze. Warpath versus Fighter Chassis. Who's going to take it? Two different approaches to the first corner. Salerno in trouble and Walking Tall. Walking Tall indeed. Mr. Horsepower and Fallout 1 on the line. Atkinson's been incredibly tough this season. The only truck in Pro Mod to win 2 racing brackets, and Fallout looking good. Boss Fight and Ballistic Orange, the final race in round number 3. Neck and neck into the final corner, but just by a little bit, Ballistic Orange with the win.
All right, next up.
Round number 4 of action with Pro Mod and OTRC. There is non-stop action. Huge racing brackets in the Pro Mod class. Blank in trouble though in the far lane, and Taurus will move on to the semifinals.
All right, next up is Calder. Drivers, are you ready?
Mike Arndt with a great debut showing with Bigfoot 19. He's in round number 4, as is Calder Sick. A great showing for the day, but it's going to end here as Bigfoot 19 goes to the final
All right,
4.
next up. Drivers ready?
Walking Tall
Watch the
and
line.
Sudden Impact. Sudden has made a home in the near lane through most of the day. In the far lane this time due to Walking Tall's lane choice, but nothing doing. Sudden moves on. Ballistic Orange and Fallout 1.
Watch the light.
I said it before, Hackinson's so tough. The number 3 qualifier against the number 22, but the 22 takes it! Chris Blank wins and moves to the semifinals, as do we with Taurus and Bigfoot 19.
Watch the
The
light.
number 1 and 21 matchup. Bigfoot in trouble, and Taurus looking strong goes to the finals. Sudden Impact. Jeremy Mark, he's already in the finals with Taurus. Can he make it a Taurus racing sweep by putting Sudden Impact in the finals? No, the win goes to Ballistic, so it's a number 1 and 22 matchup. Well, it's finals time in Pro Mod. This is race number 1. These guys just faced off in the semifinals. Chris Blank taking the measure in the semifinals of Jeremy Mark. Can you do it again in the final round?
I hope.
A bundle of confidence. He's on it. Jeremy, you're coming off. You just lost in the semifinals. How does that affect you going into the finals?
If I make a clean run, I like my odds. It just comes down to who has the cleanest pass here, because really there's not much difference between our 2 times.
The cleanest pass and the first one to the finish line is going to win. 5 different winners in 6 Pro Mod races. Will there be 6 different winners? Taurus and Ballistic Orange. Chris Blank, it's been a long time since he's won a Pro Mod bracket. He's off to the lead over the top qualifier, and Ballistic Orange is your racing champion in race number 1 for our 4th event of the season. Taking a look back, an incredible corner for Blank, taking the inside lane through the Joker, and it was smooth sailing from there. Blank not to be stopped. Looking incredible in that final round.
Alrighty, huge congratulations to today's Pro Mod winner, Chris Blank. Now, if the stats don't lie, this is your first Pro Mod win in about 10 or so years. proving that old dogs can still go fast, can still learn new tricks. He's going back into the wild. He can still be fast. Chris, huge congratulations to you on showing that you still got it. We're looking for good things for you in the future.
Thank you. I appreciate that. Felt good to win.
Felt good to win. He earned that one. Back to you, Chris.
It's hard to believe that it's been that long for Chris Blank and his Pro Mod truck, but breaking through an incredible moment, always near the top, and this time he's on top of the heap. Can he carry the momentum into race number 2 of event number 4? It's been a season of parity with 6 different winners in 7 races. Will that continue? It's still anybody's game at the top of the standings, so stay tuned. The drama is only going to build from here. We appreciate you joining us, and until next time, we'll see you then.